Hey everybody, welcome to my soapy kitchen. Today with this mailbox man, it's going to be a little different. It's going to be really cool, and it's going to show you how you can get your own fresh products in from places like Ghana. Now, I have no idea how she knew how to do all of this, but my package was opened by customs and it was a mess, I'm sure. But because she put this on here, it's a phytosanitary certification for the Theobroma cacao that she sent to me. She got it from the Ministry of Food and Agriculture. I have never seen this documentation on a package before, and it's just amazing because it's something I've wanted for a very, very long time, and I want to share it with you now. Now, what I meant, it was a mess when you opened it up because this is fresh fruit that was shipped to me from Ghana. Okay, and I knew that it probably wouldn't come perfect. So when I opened it up, everything was covered in mold. All right, because one of the pods was damaged on shipping. So this is a beautiful thing. This is my bonnet. That's different. I'll show you that after. Oh, that's my new soap pad. But one thing about cocoa, and the reason I took this chance, is that how it's processed is by fermentation. So I knew that if these opened up, there was a chance, or they started to decompose, there was a chance that I'd still at least, get to see what what a cocoa bean is like when it's in its raw state, and I'd be able to roast it. And I did actually. One of them cracked open. There were 5, and one cracked open, and it was completely, looked like it had completely just turned black. It was just completely black with white all over it. And so I washed it, and I washed the beans, and I'll show you those in a picture here. Because that's all I did, is I went and I looked at it and I looked at it. It didn't feel like it was actually rotten. It was probably just a surface thing. So I washed them all very carefully, and I have one here that you can't, it's still fresh enough that those beans are going to be viable. I have one here where you can hear them inside, and I might just dry this one. I don't know. We'll see what I can do. And there's this one. We can hear the beans inside. If they're still moist, I'll probably start with one of these. This one I might actually just freeze it until I decide what I want to do with it, to preserve it for as long as possible. We'll see y'all next time. Bye for now.